Many shoppers come to Sweden with one goal: to buy glass. And this is the place to do it. There are 17 major glassworks, all clustered around this area, where some of the world's most prestigious glassmakers show their wares. One of the most popular factories, Kosta Boda, welcomes visitors with guided tours and glass-blowing demonstrations. It's fascinating to watch hot glass being shaped by some of the country's most skilled glass artists. Precise and delicate, the craft produces some startlingly beautiful works. Now, what makes Kosta Boda glass special?
The designs, I think. We have really good designers that works with the company, and they have all these great ideas. It differs from other types of designs. It's very clear and very simple, but all of these colors.
Could I be able to tell the difference between a hand-blown piece of glass and a machine-made piece of glass?
I think you can. A machine-made wine glass is usually thicker, and then you don't have this crystal sound in it.
If you're on a budget but still want to bring home a souvenir or two or three, you can get some great deals by purchasing factory seconds.